Welcome to this week's Spotlight on Board Highlights. At the latest MPUSD Board of Education meeting, we welcomed our 2026-2027 student board members, strengthening student voice and participation in district decision-making. The board also approved updates to policies and regulations covering personnel, student services, facilities, technology, and district operations, while continuing discussions around student transfers and enrollment policies. We're also expanding opportunities for students through partnerships that support career exploration, arts, music, theater, and hands-on learning. Plus, the board approved expanded learning partnerships with the YMCA of the Monterey Peninsula and the city of Marina, bringing additional after-school programming to schools across the district. Finally, the board received an update on enrollment and class size trends and the potential impact of declining enrollment on future funding and financial planning. Join us for our next meeting on Tuesday, September 8th. It will be a town hall style meeting for our Marina community at Marina High School.